Hello students, welcome back to my biology online classes. Today I am going to discuss with you about genetics paper previous year question discussion under Cbcs curriculum of 5th semester. This question is of year 2020 of University of Calcutta for your upcoming semester 3 exam under CCF. Now let's concentrate. What is incomplete dominance and codominance? Give example of both carrying 2 marks. What is crisscross pattern of inheritance carrying 2 marks? ABO blood grouping is an example of multiple alleles but MN blood grouping is not. Why? Carrying 2 marks. What is isoallele? Give example carrying 2 marks. Which is called a pleiotropic gene? Give example carrying 2 marks. State location and function of SRY gene in man carrying 2 marks. What are multiple alleles? How do they differ from pseudoallele carrying 2 marks? What will be the sex of Drosophila with following genotypes: 2A XX, 3A2X and 2A3X carrying 2 marks. What is gynandromorph carrying 2 marks? Distinguish between autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy carrying 2 marks. Name the non-coding RNAs that have been implicated in dosage compensation of Drosophila and human carrying 2 marks. Distinguish between pericentric and paracentric inversion carrying 2 marks. What are base analogues? Give 2 examples carrying 2 marks. What is the characteristic feature of R mutant of T4 bacteriophage used in Benger's experiment carrying 2 marks? What is complementation test and why it is used carrying 2 marks? When a gene is said to be epistatic, what is the difference between epistasis and dominance carrying 2 marks? What are nutritional mutant? Give example carrying 2 marks. Drosophila has 4 pairs of chromosomes. How many linkage groups does it have carrying 2 marks? Define recombination frequency. What is CC carrying 2 marks? What are XIST and XIC carrying 2 marks? What are chemical mutagens? Give 2 examples carrying 2 marks. What is P element in Drosophila carrying 2 marks? State the characteristic features of prokaryotic IS elements carrying 2 marks. Distinguish between transition and transversion carrying 2 marks. What are linked genes? How linked genes can be separated carrying 2 marks. Define linkage map. What is genetic map unit carrying 2 marks. 2 genes A and B are linked. The other homologous chromosome contain their small a and small b alleles. Give combinations of alleles in gametes with and without crossing over carrying 2 marks. Human males are constitutionally hemizygous and females are functionally hemizygous. Justify carrying 2 marks. What is retrotransposon? Give example carrying 2 marks. Compare line and sign carrying 2 marks. How X chromosomal inactivation takes place in case of dosage compensation in human carrying 5 marks. What is the role of pair of human Y chromosome carrying 2 marks? State the role of SRY gene in human sex determination in brief carrying 3 marks. What is attached X method carrying 2 marks? How it is used in Drosophila to detect sex-linked visible mutation carrying 3 marks. What is prototroph and auxotroph carrying 2 marks? Describe the steps of detection of biochemical mutation in neurospora through suitable diagram carrying 3 marks. Compare the sex determination mechanism of Drosophila and human carrying 3 marks. State the role of asexual gene in Drosophila sex determination carrying 2 marks. What is cistron carrying 1 marks? Explain the phenomenon of complementation with special reference to Benger's R2 locus carrying 4 marks. Define IS element in bacteria carrying 2 marks. Briefly describe ACDS elements in maize carrying 3 marks. How is extrachromosomal inheritance manifested in shell spiraling of snail carrying 5 marks. So this is all about previous year question of University of Calcutta of paper genetics year 2020 under CBCS 5th semester. Stay connected for next session of previous year question discussion.